Setbacks are inevitable in life. Whether it's a failed relationship, a job loss, financial troubles, or a personal failure, we all face moments when things don't go according to plan. In these moments, it's easy to feel like you're stuck or that your dreams are out of reach. However, setbacks aren't permanent. They're simply an obstacle, a challenge that, when approached with the right mindset, can turn into a springboard for growth and success. At number 10, we have the idea of embracing failure as a lesson. Too often we view failure as a final defeat, a sign that we aren't good enough or capable enough to reach our goals. But what if failure wasn't the end of the story? What if it was the beginning of something even better? Every failure holds a lesson, and when you can shift your perspective to see it as a chance to learn, it becomes much easier to move forward. Thomas Edison famously said that he didn't fail 1,000 times to invent the light bulb. He just found 1,000 ways that didn't work. Each failure brought him closer to success. Coming at number 9, building resilience is a key factor in turning setbacks into comebacks. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity, to get back up when life knocks you down. It's easy to stay down when you've been hurt or disappointed, but resilience is about finding the strength to keep going, no matter how hard things get. Life is not about avoiding pain or discomfort. It's about learning how to thrive in spite of them. Resilience allows you to embrace the discomfort, knowing that it is part of the process and that it will ultimately make you stronger. When you develop resilience, you realize that setbacks are simply stepping stones along the path to success. At number 8, we have the importance of redefining success. Many of us have a narrow view of success, believing that it only means achieving wealth, fame, or recognition. But true success can mean different things to different people. It's not about comparing yourself to others or following a specific timeline. Success can be as simple as finding happiness in your everyday life, having strong relationships, or achieving personal growth. When you redefine success on your own terms, you stop putting unnecessary pressure on yourself and start appreciating the progress you've already made. A setback isn't a failure when you understand that success is about growth, not perfection. Next, at number 7, we move on to the power of perspective. The way you perceive a setback can greatly influence how you respond to it. If you see it as an insurmountable challenge, you're likely to become overwhelmed and give up. But if you change your perspective and see it as an opportunity for growth, you open yourself up to new possibilities. Your mindset plays a huge role in how you approach obstacles. People who have a positive outlook tend to see setbacks as temporary and solvable. They don't get bogged down by the difficulty of the situation. Instead, they focus on what can be done to overcome it. Changing your perspective is often the first step in turning a setback into a comeback. Coming at number 6, we have taking small, consistent steps forward. One of the most common reactions to a setback is to feel paralyzed, unsure of how to move forward. This feeling of uncertainty can prevent you from making any progress. But the key to overcoming setbacks is to take small steps, consistently moving forward. You don't have to solve everything at once, and you certainly don't have to have all the answers. The important thing is to keep going, even if it's just one small action at a time. Over time, these small actions add up, and you'll find that you're closer to your goal than you thought possible. The road to success is rarely a straight line, and setbacks are simply detours along the way. As long as you keep moving forward, you're on the right track. At number 5, we come to the power of support systems. No one achieves success alone, and having a strong support system can make all the difference when facing setbacks. Surround yourself with people who encourage, uplift, and believe in you, even when you can't believe in yourself. A good support system will help you stay grounded and remind you of your worth when the challenges seem insurmountable. Whether it's friends, family, mentors, or colleagues, the people you surround yourself with can offer advice, perspective, and emotional support that can help you push through tough times. When you have a solid team behind you, the journey becomes much easier. Coming at number 4, trusting the process is a critical component of turning setbacks into comebacks. Often, when things don't go as planned, we want to rush through the process or find a quick solution. However, there is a power in trusting the journey, even when you can't see the end result. Growth takes time, and setbacks often occur because there are lessons you need to learn along the way. When you trust the process, you allow yourself the space to grow and evolve. Instead of focusing on the immediate disappointment, trust that each setback is shaping you into the person you need to become to achieve your ultimate goals. The process may not always be easy, but it's always worthwhile. At number 3, we focus on embracing change. Setbacks often force us to reassess our path, and sometimes this leads to necessary changes in our approach. The willingness to embrace change is crucial for personal and professional growth. If you resist change, you risk staying stuck in old habits that no longer serve you. Change is uncomfortable, but it's also where the magic happens. It can open doors to new opportunities, experiences, and lessons that you wouldn't have encountered if everything had gone according to plan. When you face a setback, instead of trying to force things back to the way they were, allow yourself to adapt and evolve. Embracing change allows you to turn your setbacks into valuable life lessons. Coming at number 2, we have the importance of self-reflection. When faced with a setback, it's natural to feel angry, frustrated, or even defeated. However, taking the time to reflect on the situation can help you see things from a different angle. Self-reflection allows you to understand why the setback occurred, what you could have done differently, and what you can learn from the experience. It's important to approach self-reflection with compassion and understanding rather than self-criticism. Use setbacks as opportunities to evaluate your choices, mindset, and actions. By reflecting on your experiences, you can uncover hidden strengths, develop greater resilience, and make more informed decisions moving forward. Finally, at number 1, we have the importance of perseverance. Perhaps the most crucial factor in turning setbacks into comebacks is the willingness to keep going, even when things seem impossible. Perseverance is about pushing through the tough moments and not giving up on your dreams. It's about knowing that setbacks are temporary and that you have the strength to overcome them. When you persevere, you build the mental toughness necessary to handle whatever challenges life throws your way. Every setback you overcome makes you more capable and ready for the next hurdle. Perseverance is the key that unlocks the door to success. In conclusion, setbacks are not the end of the road. They're simply obstacles that can teach us valuable lessons. By embracing failure, building resilience, redefining success, shifting our perspective, taking small steps, leaning on our support systems, trusting the process, embracing change, reflecting on our experiences, and persevering, we can transform any setback into a comeback. Life is full of challenges, but it's how we respond to them that truly matters. So when the next setback comes your way, remember that it's just a chapter in your story, not the entire book. Keep pushing forward, and your comeback will be even greater than you can imagine. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more inspiring content. Let's keep growing together.